In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to automatically set the priority of help desk tickets based on the urgency of the content within that message. So what we're going to do is navigate over to our AI by clicking on AI over here on the left-hand side. And I'm going to come here to help desk ticket priority, and I'm going to turn that on and I'm going to hit save. All right, so to demo this for you, what I'm going to do is navigate over here to my help desk on the left-hand side. And I'm going to go ahead and create a new ticket in the system here. So I'm just going to click Add Ticket. I'm going to select the contact. So I'm just going to go with Amy Ramirez. The priority is set to auto. And then I'm going to go ahead and write this ticket for Amy. So this is as if Amy were submitting a ticket through the system. So she's going to say, here, product return. Return. And I'm just going to write a little message that says, hi, I recently purchased your cat hat, but unfortunately, I can't spell, unfortunately, it doesn't fit my chunky boy. That's not how you spell boy either. I can't type today. Boy. Please, could you assist me with the oh my goodness, return process. Thank you. And then we're going to hit save. All right, what I'm going to do now as well is create another ticket. So I'm going to navigate back here and you'll see that the priority for this message is normal. I'm now going to add another ticket and I'm going to go ahead with Andre here. And he's going to say, my cat is dying. And we'll add a few more exclamation marks. We'll say urgent. My cat is dying. I ordered your cat food. No, we're going to make it more urgent. My cat is having a reaction to your cat food. He is having a seizure. Take it to the vet. And oh my goodness. And I don't know what to do. Please help me. This is so urgent. I don't want to lose my cat. That's a really sad message, actually. I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And you'll see that the priority here has automatically been set to urgent by the AI. So because of the message's content and tone, the AI was like, this needs to be dealt with straight away. So that priority has been automatically updated. So you'll see here the difference between those two. This one didn't need to be prioritized, but this one absolutely did. So that is how you can use the AI in the system to automatically prioritize help desk tickets within the system.